Bismillah, lala. Sabihin mo, nakapasa ka mo.
Oh, sabi
How much number?
Nakapasa na.
how much the payment?
Number.
Number
Of your exam.
Result.
Result your exam, how much?
132. 88%.
Mashallah.
That's it.
Huh?
88?
88.
Okay, yala, enjoy. Celebration. Celebration.
Just say they have
Yala, celebration. Ayan. Mag-celebrate siya kasi nakapasa siya sa RTA exam. Yala. Pasado siya sa RTA exam. Shout out. May mga friend, Boss Waki. Shout out, Max Vlog, Miss Mona. Shout out, Erlinda, Miss Sissy. Shout out, Scarlett and Ma'am Blispol. Shout out sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa GC. Shout out sa inyo lahat, Nora, Mary Ann, Bernalyn, Jolly. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. And CCLV, and then also where else? Brenda. Shout out sa inyo. And Oxt. Kami tapos na, sinamahan ko lang tong aking mag-exam siya ng RTA. Uwi na kami, hanap kami ng makainan, restaurant. What happened to your hair? Wala. You want to sleep here, and then you want to shower here in the bath, too much water. You shower. You shower in the bath. Why too much water?
Forget my breakfast.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. This one, you need this one. This is, you know.
Yala ko.
Yeah. This is celebration. This is fast. Why for me?
Because you have money.
Subscriber ko, shout out sa inyo lahat. Thank you sa watching. Sana manonood pa kayo sa mga vlog ko na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sister Linda. And Mona, my friend. And Boss Waki. Junjun, hello. Shout out sa iyo. Nakatulog ako. Yan. Bigyan ko kayo ng counting yan. Pauwi na kami niyan. Pauwi na. Ayan. Makyat na kami sa mag-hi ka sa ko, sa video ko.